cosmetic and makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here again. Today I am turning into Scar from The Lion King. This is a very special makeup for me because some of you might know, if you have had the courage and the patience to scroll down my entire gallery on Instagram, some of you might know that my very first makeup was Scar. And because of this makeup, I started an Instagram page and I started my YouTube channel. But I never filmed this very first makeup because I didn't have a camera back then. I didn't know I was gonna have a channel. I was way too self-conscious to film myself. I still am, but I was like, it was impossible for me to film myself. But anyway, because I didn't have any footage for this makeup, I thought I would redo it. I also wanted to see how much I had improved because it's really encouraging after years and years of practice to see that you get better. So yeah, it's very special for me to do Scar. And this makeup is the first of my Disney villain series. So if you want me to do certain villains, let me know in the comments because I haven't picked them yet. I just picked, I think, Ursula that I want to redo, and I think I want to do Hades. I don't know how you guys call him. But anyway, hang out in the comments and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Click the subscribe button, click the subscribe button down here and the little bell so you never miss any of my new videos. And that's it. I'm shutting up. I'm leaving you with a tutorial and I'll see you at the end. Et qu'est-ce qu'on va faire? I woke up with the song in my head and I just keep singing the same sentence over and over again. Anyway, I'm ready to start this Scar makeup tutorial. The first thing I'm going to do is block out my eyebrows so I can paint over them. I'm using glue stick, a sponge, and compact powder. It's hot! Qu'est-ce qu'on va faire? Écoutez, écoutez. I've had enough of this song. Qu'est-ce qu'on va faire? Écoutez. I don't really know what the next step is. I should probably just sketch the different areas of the face. Should I put on primer, guys? I don't know. I don't think so. I think I'm not gonna use primer. Let's skip the primer. I guess the next step would be to sketch the different areas of Scar's face. The eyes, the snout, and the different colors of his mane and face and hair. So, fan on and quiet. And now I'm gonna fill in with all the base colors. I feel like this makeup is gonna take me no time at all compared to my 9-hour makeup, so let's go. Can't wait to put on a little beard, and I made beard also, and the main side here. It'll look cool. Powder. And now I'm going to paint the mane with water activated black paint. And now with the same black paint, I'm going to paint the snap here. This is so cool. I love it. Okay, I'm going to use a black eyeliner and I'm going to draw his mouth. So cool. Okay, so now I'm using white paint and I'm gonna draw the teeth. Now I'm going to finish the mouth with red paint and brown paint. Okay, I'm having so much fun right now. I feel like I'm 6 years old. I'm going to move on to the eyes. So I'm gonna start by painting the irises and the pupil. I'm a bit scared because painting on your eyelids is really hard because it cracks, but hopefully it won't. I'm gonna try to use primer on my eyes, just a little bit. Okay, forget what I said. I'm sorry about the fan in the background, but it's really hot. I'm not going to start with the eyes. I'm going to start with the brown, the round eye. Okay, now I'm going to do, well, exactly what I did here on the other eye. I'm first going to fill all this in with brown. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of facial expressions with a black eyeliner. Black eyeliner. Almost forgot to do the scar for scar. I will add, this is so weird. I will add more facial expressions and some shading everywhere. So I'm gonna use eyeshadows and I don't know, maybe brown paint for the no, but I'm gonna start with eyeshadow on the orange, like a brown eyeshadow. Okay, I'm almost done with the face. I'm now going to add the scar before I forget. It would be really sad if I didn't give scar a scar. Okay, I'm done with the face. Now I would like to add some hairs here on the sides of my face, because obviously my face is not big enough. So I'm gonna use paper and I'm gonna draw the hairs that's missing and then glue it here, hopefully. I'm a bit scared, I'm not really good at this. Okay, so with Spirit Gum, I'm going to glue this here. Oh, I cannot open my Spirit Gum. Ah, oh my god, I can't open it. Ah. Okay, let's hold it for a few seconds and then do the other side. Okay, now I want to add a portion of the chin, of the beard here that he has. So I'm gonna paint on my neck. I thought about gluing something too, but I don't know. I don't think if I glue something here, I don't know if it's gonna work very well. Should I glue it? Maybe I could try actually. Okay, I'm gonna try to glue it. And if it doesn't work, I'll just paint it on my neck, paint everything else black. Okay, so I cut this, and now I need to paint it the same color as my chin. Hopefully when I glue it, it looks cool. This is so fun, guys. I don't know how to tell you how much fun I'm having right now. It's like, I don't even know it's me. Can you just, I mean, I think you can see it, right? It's so cool. This is why I never get tired of painting myself, because every makeup is different, every new transformation is new emotions, different fun, different stories. It's just, I just love when I do so much. I hope you have fun watching it. It was pretty easy. So much fun. Et qu'est-ce qu'on doit faire? Écoutez et vous taire. I'm having so much fun with this makeup. Look at me. This is so weird. Anyway. Well, that's it, guys. I will see you next week with a new makeup. I don't know if it's gonna be a Harry Potter makeup or another Disney villain or something else. I've been also thinking about starting in another series, something completely different, inspired by Japan and by some of the most beautiful animes. So yeah, I have several series going on at the moment, and I have my surprise that I can't tell you about, but I can't wait to share it with you. Oh my gosh, can't wait. Anyway, I gotta go. It's 150 degrees, so I really need a shower, and I will see you next week with another makeup next Friday. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good one. Bye!